students, today my topic is acid, bases and salts. There are number of compound. The compound are divided into two parts. First is organic compound, second is inorganic compound. The organic compound obtained from animal and plants, while inorganic compound obtained from mineral or these are present in the food or number of other materials. So second is, on the basis of chemical property, compound are classified into three parts. First part is acid, second part is bases and third part is salts. Come to first part, acid. It is sour in taste, derived from Latin word acidus, which means sour. Vegetable and fruits like lemon, orange, tomato, etc. are sour in taste, contain acid. Vinegar contain a natural acid known as ethanoic acid. Chemical name is acetic acid, that is CH3COOH, which called sirca, used to preserve the food and pickling as it destroy microorganism. Vinegar also help to prevent chemical present in the food by combining with oxygen, which may sometimes spoil the food also. Now on the basis of the source, acid classified into two parts. First is organic, second is mineral acid. So come to first part, organic acid, which is naturally occurring. Acids are produced by plant and animal except HCl, known as organic acid, and also have acid known as formic acid. In Latin language, ant is known as formica. This is the formula of formic acid. Now ant squirt means spit with force this acid at their enemy, and spit with force formic acid from itself to their enemy. Now mineral acids, if it forms by the mineral present in the earth crust. It is present in the earth crust such as HNO3, H2SO4 and HCl. These are the mineral acid. They are stronger than acetic acid, that is CH3COOH. Now chemical property. Chemical property of acids are sour in taste. Acid turns blue litmus to red. Just remember like this. After A comes B. So as in the test of acid done by blue litmus to red. So automatically base red litmus to blue. So action of methyl orange. It turns red. Red. Reaction with metals. When react with acid, it gives metal salt or hydrogen gas. Always when metal react with acid, it gives hydrogen gas and metal salt. Next is reaction with metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate. This is metal carbonate. So when this react to H2SO4, it gives Na2SO4, CO2, H2O. Then lime water, when react with carbon dioxide, it turns milky and give water molecule. Calcium carbonate. Now this calcium carbonate, again treated with water and carbon dioxide, it gives calcium bicarbonate. Now reaction with base to form salt and water, also known as neutralization reaction. When base react with acid, it forms salt and water. It is known as neutralization reaction. Acid base react with each other, form salt and water. For example, HCl when react with NaOH, they give NaCl H2O. Now reaction with metal oxide. When this metal oxide react with acid, it forms copper chloride and water. That means salt and water. Acid solution allow electric current to pass through them. Example, H2SO4 is used in inverter battery. In our inverter battery, this acid is used to pass the current. Corrosive nature. They have corrosive nature as they produce burning sensation on skin and make hole in the clothes. They attack on metal also, so they are always stored in container made of glass and ceramics because these are not attacked by the acid. So my question is for today is, what are acids, mineral acids and organic acid? Give chemical properties of acid. Why should curd and sour object not be kept in brass or copper vessel? Which gas liberated when acid react with metal? Thank you.